Here at Mighty, we think of gamification a little differently. Gamification is a great way to make sure your members intrinsically and organically want to keep coming back over and over again to interact with one another, to connect, and to build those genuine relationships that aren't possible anywhere except for your community. Here at Mighty, if you click on the little star icon in the top of your Mighty network, you can take a look at your streaks and your recognitions. Streaks encourage members to come back every single day to reach new streak milestones. A star for 3 days, a fire for 7 days, and so on and so forth. To make sure your streaks are turned on, click on your settings button, head down to engagement, and click on streaks. Then just make sure it's toggled on. You can also take a look at what the streak milestones are, what they look like, and the number of days it takes to get them. Next up is my personal favorite feature of gamification, community values. As a host, you get to decide what are the 5 values that you want your members to demonstrate as a part of your community. Do you want them to be inspiring, creative, fun, funny, excited, optimistic, adventurous? Set those up and then go ahead and turn them on. To create a new one, click the create button and you can opt to either create a new one or create from recommendations. Our team made these really beautiful badge icons that you can choose to use. If you want to go ahead and create your own icons, feel free to do so as well. I like this icon, but I'm going to go ahead and change the value name. Click save, and then you are good to go. Now, every time a member logs into your community, they get 10 points. They can take a look at how many points they have right here. Members then use their points to recognize each other for demonstrating the values that you set up as your recognition. To do so, you can just click on a member, mouse over them, click recognize, and then go ahead and select what you want to recognize them for. You can opt to send them a message, shouting them out for however they demonstrated that value, and click recognize. They'll get a notification. They can reach back out and say thank you. And as a host, you can turn on your leaderboard. To turn it on, head over to settings, spaces and navigation, global features, and toggle on your leaderboard right here. You can rename it to absolutely anything you want. You can opt to only include members, and I definitely recommend making sure your top recognizers leaderboard is on as well. That means that you as a host and everyone else can check out who's doing the best job of recognizing people. Gamification, community values, streaks, recognition, and points are a great way to focus on connection, collaboration, and community. We can't wait to see the values that you optimize in your community and make sure your members come back over and over again to form those genuine relationships in your community.